For nearly a century, America has been the undisputed master of the world. Its currency, its military, and its culture shaped humanity. The United States dollar became the global reserve currency. Its aircraft carriers patrolled every ocean, and Hollywood rewrote the imagination of billions. But something is fracturing beneath the surface. In the near future, the American empire faces its greatest challenge, not from an external enemy armed with missiles, but from its own exponential technology and deepening internal fractures. The very innovations that made America dominant are now accelerating faster than any government can regulate or control. Artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and private orbital networks are rewriting the rules of power. The question is no longer whether America will change. The question is whether America can survive the change it created. The future of America will not be governed solely from Washington, D.C., but increasingly from Silicon Valley boardrooms and private server farms. Tech corporations are accumulating power that rivals sovereign governments. They control the artificial intelligence networks processing national security data, the biotechnology platforms holding medical records of 300 million citizens, and the private satellite constellations wrapping the entire country in a digital grid. We are witnessing a transition from a democratic superpower into a system of corporate sovereignty, where algorithms make decisions faster than any elected official can respond. The president signs executive orders, but the algorithm executes reality. This is not science fiction. This is the architecture already being built, layer by layer, beneath the visible surface of American politics. Geographically, America is splitting into two entirely different realities existing within the same borders. On the coastlines, hyper-automated tech hubs are rising with flying autonomous vehicles, robotic delivery systems, and artificial intelligence managing entire city infrastructures. Meanwhile, across the vast automated interior, factory towns that once defined American identity sit hollowed out, their populations increasingly dependent on cyber networks and government transfer payments. Universal basic income proposals may keep the economic engine running, but they cannot close the cultural canyon widening between these two Americas. One half is accelerating into a post-human economy. The other is searching for meaning in a world that automated away its purpose. America is fundamentally reinventing what it means to be a nation, transforming from a land of opportunity into a land of automation. And that transformation carries consequences no policy document has fully prepared for. Can America adapt to an era where algorithms hold more practical power than presidents, where corporations orbit satellites above sovereign law, and where two domestic realities threaten to become two separate civilizations? Or will this internal fracture create the opening for a new global leader to step forward and reshape the world order? The next superpower may not defeat America militarily. It may simply outlast the contradictions America cannot resolve. Comment Empire if you believe America adapts and leads, or comment Shift if you believe the balance of global power is already moving. The next world is being built right now.